Quantum computing is going to rewrite the rules of the game. And if you don't understand how to play this game, you are going to lose. It's a total industry reset. Today we're going to talk about quantum e-commerce because everything is changing. E-commerce is about to get ripped apart and rebuilt from scratch. The online stores that you see today, in a few years, they're going to look like horse-drawn carriages that are standing next to rocket ships. You've heard the buzzwords AI, automation, and robotics. But those are just stepping stones. The real transformation, the one that will decide who dies and who lives on, is quantum computing. Forget the slightly faster websites and marginally better converting operations. This is about a fundamental rewiring of how businesses operate, how they connect with customers, and how they compete for every single sale. So what is quantum computing? It sounds very overcomplicated and futuristic, right? It's really not. It is the biggest leap in computing power in history. Here is the simplest way to think about it. Traditional computers run on bits, simply a bunch of zeros and ones. Quantum computers, they run on qubits, which can be a 0 or a 1, both at the same time. You might think to yourself, how the hell does that work? Well, there's a technology to put them in a quantum state. That means that quantum computers can process data and actions at an incredible speed compared to traditional computers. It is faster than anything we have today. We're talking about problems that would take a traditional computer thousands of years to solve, and quantum computers can do it in seconds. And if you think that someday your e-commerce site or business can compete without knowing or doing any of this, you are already behind. But what does this actually mean for your e-commerce business or for your site? Let's break it down. Quantum computing isn't just another technology upgrade. It's a total industry reset. Your supply chain will not be just optimized. It will be able to predict demand before it even happens. No more stock outs, no more overstock, just real-time AI-driven logistics that move much faster than your competition. What do you think Amazon is doing today? How do you think they've grabbed 50 cents of every dollar spent in the United States? You think they did that with just brand? No, they have insane technologies that they leverage. Your marketing strategy is not going to just react, it will be able to think. It won't just analyze data, it will be able to tell what your customers will demand before they even know that they are going to demand it. Sounds scary, right? It's already happening. Personalized ads, try real time. What is happening on TikTok shops right now? Are you even following the news? When you go to TikTok, you know how many people make millions in those TikTok shops? Real-time demand and real-time selling. Adaptive marketing that shifts dynamically based on consumer behavior. At that very time, the moment you open up your TikTok, TikTok knows if you're going to buy or if you're likely to buy or not. Because it knows the past 20 videos that you watched. It knows the past 30 times you clicked on something. Who can process all of this data? Quantum chips. Your pricing will not be static, it will adjust in real time. Quantum algorithms will allow your price to adjust based on the happenings and the events at that very moment, and based on consumer behavior, your competitors' behavior, and even how long somebody might hover over your product or watch your video. This is real-time precision pricing that will determine how you sell in the future. Because this isn't about just playing catch-up. It's about becoming untouchable. And the reality is that big tech, Facebook, Google, TikTok, they know this and they're moving fast. Big tech is not waiting, and there is a reason for that. Not only are they competing with each other, but now we have access to more technology than ever, so small businesses have the power to move. Our biggest Ability is the ability to move faster than the giants that we're competing against, the giants with the billions of dollars of marketing and brand and strategy and technology investments. Amazon isn't just experimenting, they're implementing this quantum computing power into their operations right now. How do you think that they're able to process millions of traffic and hundreds of thousands of orders a day? Everything from warehouse robots to delivery routes that make them money and make their drivers waste the least amount of gas. Every kind of supply chain algorithm is run by these quantum computers. This is about shaving milliseconds off of every single transaction when you're having millions of transactions a month, cutting billions in costs and being able to compete in a fashion to determine the future of this technology and commerce. Remember when Google claimed quantum supremacy? That wasn't just a flex, it was a warning shot. Google has been working on this for a decade. Google is already offering quantum as a service to its clients, partnering with giants like Walmart to make the quantum supply chain a possibility. Alibaba and IBM aren't competing for quick wins. They are pouring billions into quantum research and building an infrastructure that will ensure their survival, their thrival in a future quantum economy. From unbreakable quantum secured payments to AI-powered logistics optimizing the global trade, in real time, big tech is not waiting around for everybody to catch up. This is a total industry takeover. Are you aware of what's going on? How are you ever going to compete with billion-dollar giants playing the game with their quantum technologies? One, make sure that you begin today, not tomorrow, today, implementing AI-powered technologies into your businesses. ChatGPT, AI automation, AI agents. Partner with an organization or an expert that understands how to implement these technologies into your business. You don't have to spend millions of dollars on a sample quantum computer for your business or for your industry. You don't have to do that just yet, but you must be in this technology of AI optimization, AI agents, machine learning, the different data models and the algorithms that assign and process those data models. You should have systems and your employees should have access to these systems that have the 10, 12, 15 different AI models, GPT, Cloud, Perplexity, Grok. And if you are not doing any of this, you should be scared. The businesses that adapt first are going to dominate. Small business is not going anywhere. Our ability to move fast is not going anywhere. But we have a limited window of opportunity here. As quantum computing starts disrupting the industry, and that might be your industry, don't think that you're safe from any of this happening. We are already prepping our customers for the next evolution of e-commerce. That is AI-driven search and filter functionalities, AI-driven pre-checkout and post-checkout upsell functionalities, AI-driven single sign-on functionalities, AI-driven price testing functionalities, location-based pricing functionalities. We are implementing these technologies today in e-commerce. You won't find a Shopify app that does this. So, if you want to stay ahead of your competition, future-proof your business and integrate the most advanced technology that is proven to work today into your business, into your e-commerce strategy. Reach out today and let's talk about the next generation of e-commerce before it's too late.